Guys, today we're at the art museum.
Ooh, look at that.
Okay, let's get.
I'm ready, babes.
Hi. We got an art thing. Anyway, let's open it. I got art.
You can cut it.
There's also like my mom got more cool markers. There. You put the rest in here while I put away the markers. Alright guys, I'll be right back.
It's a big old piranha. It's a whole lot of candies. It's a whole big car. It looks cool. Okay, what's wrong with this picture?
Her fingers.
Her fingers, okay.
How big her butt is compared to her face.
Okay. And then here you got in the deli. You got eggs in the deli. What the hell? And then you got something here weird. And then you got beans behind the deli. What the hell? We could do this. We could buy it and then buy the tools to make this. Look, and then this is cardboard.
Oh, you like?
Yeah, and then you put it on there. Ooh, we could do this for sure.
It was like this.
Look, yeah. Oh, you know what? Let's show G the art that you want to show him, the one with the butt.
Look.
Oh, this is new. So we're just gonna go around. We like to just go look around, stroll, come back, look at it again, and just remember what it is that we looked at. We love doing this, so thank you so much for watching. That's a boot. That's a butt. That's another butt.
I'm thirsty.
This is art. It's my mommy drinking water. Whoa.
What's that?
I don't know. We're gonna have to figure it out. It's a big old tree trunk. Look, another piece. It's a postcard like what we made. Oh, these are all the postcards. So we were making postcards, and it was about this. It's all blurry. Oh look, this one they put gold stuff. It's cool. Some boxes. Oh look, it's them. It's them. It's them. These guys are these guys. Maybe. You gotta read it. It should be. It wasn't.
Too much boots.
These boots are so cool. One of my favorite parts about taking the kids to the museum is that I like to have them explore, and then later on in school they're going to learn about this and they're going to remember, and then they're going to feel so much more attached to it. And I really encourage you guys, bring them to this exhibit. It's really fun. The back of a car, and it could be a stage at the same time. What is that girl playing with her foot? Oh look, this is everything that's here. Or almost everything. Yeah, like there's the dude. And there's that. Yeah, look. You can actually read about it.
Look at the marbles.
That's here. You respond.
There's my museum.
This is cool. Look, you can see in the back. We see this before. This is we were already there. Yeah, go. Oh, the other side, sure. Come on. Looks like a snake. It's like a snake head. Oh, that's not what we saw. We saw
up that one. Okay, anyways. We put the rest in here while I put away the markers. Alright guys, I'll be right back.